Hello tech enthusiast, I am Pawan. As we all know, the Cognizant placement drive is a continuum. So in this video, we will see the recently asked cluster 2 questions of a cloud on 29 September 2024. Now let's see the time limit of the cloud section. Cloud is the subpart of the cluster 2. There is a three sections in a cluster 2. First one is the query, second one is the programming, and third section is the cloud. There is a 15 minute for the cloud section, and there is a 10 question to solve within a 15 minute. Now let's see the question which was asked on the 29th September. So first one is the how does a community cloud differ from a private cloud? Option givens are it allows a shared infrastructure between the users. It is a shared among the similar organization. And third one is it is open to all public users. It is for a specific organization. Now let's see the solution. So the solution to this question is it is shared among the similar organization. A community cloud differs from a private cloud in that it is shared among the similar organizations. A community cloud serves a specific community of users from an organization with a shared concern such as a security, compliance, or a jurisdiction, allowing them to collaborate while benefiting from a shared infrastructure. In contrast, a private cloud is dedicated to a single organization, providing exclusive resources and control over the environment. Now let's see the second question. In second question, which cloud computing service model is responsible for managing underlying operating system, runtime environment, and middleware? So the first option is IaaS, means infrastructure as a service. Second one is the platform as a service, and third one is the software as a service, and fourth one is none of these. Now let's see the solutions. The solution to this question is the platform as a service. Now let's see the explanation. The cloud computing service model responsible for managing the underlying operating system, runtime environment, and middleware is a platform as a service. In a platform as a service model, the cloud provider manages the infrastructure, operating system, and middleware, allowing developers to focus on building and deploying applications without worrying about underlying hardware or software layers. Now let's see the third question. Which cloud deployment model involves a single organization utilizing resources from multiple cloud providers? Options are private cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud, and public cloud. So now let's see the question solution to the question. Solution is a hybrid cloud. The cloud deployment model that involves a single organization utilizing resources from multiple cloud providers is a hybrid cloud model. A hybrid cloud combines both private and public cloud resources, allowing for a greater flexibility and optimization of existing infrastructure, security, and compliance needs. Now let's see the fourth one. What is the purpose of a containerization in a cloud virtualization? Options are to improve performance in virtualized environment, to provide isolated and lightweight runtime environment for application, to manage and allocate hardware resources to virtual machines, to provide secure runtime environment for applications. Now let's see the solution. To provide a isolated and the lightweight runtime environment for a application. The purpose of a containerization in a application is to provide isolated and lightweight runtime environment for applications. Containers allow applications to run in their own environments, sharing the same operating system kernel while maintaining isolation from other containers, which makes them efficient and easy to deploy across a different environments. Fifth one. A company wants to ensure data privacy and compliance. Which industry regulation, which model should they use? Private cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud, public cloud. So the answer to this question is a private cloud. A company that wants to ensure data privacy and compliance with industry regulation should choose the private cloud model. A private cloud model dedicates dedicated resources and infrastructure that can be tailored to meet a specific security, privacy, and compliance requirements, making it suitable for organizations handling sensitive data or subject to strict regulatory standards. Sixth one is a company requires a event-driven execution of a backend services. What cloud service lies be? So the option given are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, and the function as a service. So the answer is function as a service. Now let's see the explanation. For event-driven execution of a backend services, the company should consider using function as a service, often referred to as a serverless computing. Function as a service allows developer to run code in a response to events without the need to manage the underlying infrastructure. Services like AWS, Lambda, Azure Function, and Google Cloud Functions are popular examples, enabling scalable and efficient execution of a backend services based on specific triggers or events. Seventh one is which virtualization method is commonly used in cloud environments. First one is a full virtualization, second one is the hardware virtualization, container based virtualization, and para virtualization. So the virtualization method commonly used in cloud environment is a container-based virtualization. This method allows the application to run in isolated environment, which means containers, while sharing the same operating system kernel, making it lightweight and efficient. Containerization technologies like a Docker and a Kubernetes are widely used in cloud platforms to facilitate the deployment and management of our applications. Next question is a company is a comparing cloud providers based on their shared responsibility model. What aspects should they review? So the options are data encryption, resource scalability, network security, and last one is a service levels. So the when comparing cloud providers based on their shared responsibility model, the company should review data encryption. This aspect is critical because it defines which party, the cloud providers or the customer, is responsible for encrypting data, both at a rest and in a transit. Understanding the shared responsibilities regarding data protection, including encryption practices and the compliance measures, is essential for ensuring data security and privacy in the cloud environment. How does a community cloud differ from a private cloud? It allows a shared infrastructure between users. It is a shared among the similar organization. It is open to all public users. It is for a specific organization. So community cloud differs from a private cloud in that it is a shared among the similar organizations. A community cloud serves as a specific community of users from an organization with a shared concerns such as security compliances or jurisdiction, allowing them to collaborate while benefiting from a shared infrastructure. In contrast, a private cloud is dedicated to a single organization, providing an exclusive resource as a control over the environment. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, subscribe and share.